Australian USD, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, we want to analyze the chart for the next week. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price broke this high. Okay, now the question is, as we can see the way the price is moving, all right, we have this situation based on for different charts. Okay, now the question is whether how high this one can go. Okay, because now the things is, when we have this kind of the move, we should expect, mostly we can expect, if we get the down move, can give us very short, very sharp move. If we get any trade, it can give us really good trade in terms of the risk and reward and the time. Okay, but we cannot conform based on what we have right now. How the only things is how high this one can go. Okay, now the things is how we can trade it for the next week. Okay, and also I need to mention that sometimes this kind of the moves is kind of move slowly and suddenly sharply move. The sharply price move up. Okay, may I show what I want to say is similar to what we had here, and we get this move. Okay, that means beside the possibility the price can drop sharply, also we can expect the any times the price sharply can move up. That means any trade, whether for sell or buy, we should have a trade setup with the at least we have a stop loss that we can manage our trade in case any times, whether from here the price sharply drop or sharply move up. Okay, that means any trade setup within, whether for sell or buy, we need to have the stop loss. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it for the next week. As we can see based on for our chart, now we want to compare this one in relative to this. What we have here based on for our chart, based on this one we have a divergence, and based on MACD as well we have a divergence. Okay, that's why any down move it can give us really good trade. Okay, now the thing is how long we will be within this correction, we are not sure. And what I want to say, if whether can we expect what we have here, whether from here or higher we get, if we get that times we will have a this flat which is running flat in relative to this. That means we can expect one move up. That times easily we can look for buy, but it depends how long we will be within that buy, we are not sure. Okay, what I want to say is that because of the divergence, the possibility we get similar to this is still there. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. Now we want to see how we can trade this, whether we can expect the price from here can drop some more and get similar to what we have here or not. We are not sure. No, the only things I can say based on what we have right now, next week we want to see how we can trade it. And based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup for this correction. Okay, if I move to a lower time frame, we see whether we can trade it or not. Based on lower time frame, also we don't have any trade setup. The only things I can say is that from what we have right now, if when the market open, if the price drop and break this low, at that time maybe we can consider this one as a correction in relative to this for the next move up. How deep it can go, we are not sure. If it drops some more, is better. That times any buy within this one, if we get a buy setup, we can take it and we consider as a short-term buy. Okay, and as long as we get the trade, the price come to this high, we need to start to manage. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, no. That means from what we have right now, we don't have any trade setup. The only way we can trade for buy, let the price break this low, we get this correction, and we won't buy from here. We need to get the buy setup. This is the only things. Rather than that, we don't have any trade setup, and we don't have any even the trade for the down move. I don't think looking at this for the down move is a good idea. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and we just follow the chart when the market open, and mostly if we get the sell, we will be more interested in the sell. And but from what we have right now, we don't have a sell. The only times, if again, if I highlight this one, if next week we get here, we get similar to what we have here, one move up at that times, that means we complete this one in relative to this. Then from there, I think easily we can look for the down move rather than looking for the sell from here, because if we get any sell from here, may, if I remove this one, may still we will be within this range. What I want to say is that even if we get any sell, for example next week from here, may the price can drop, come to this trend line for the next move up, because still we will be within this correction. That's why I said if we get this next move up, then we can expect this one. And this is what I'm highlighting here. If we get it, doesn't mean 100% we will get it. If we get, we are more interested in terms of the risk and reward and the time. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. Expect what I explained here, and we just follow the chart when the market open. If I see any update, any trade, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.